Kindly share this message if you agree with me. Do you know that the greatest form of witchcraft is practiced in the church? Whenever you give a sacrifice to a witch doctor, you agree with him that you destroy a person. And because Satan can never do anything without being allowed by a human being. And therefore, he needs a person to do that. Listen to this message here.
Wanaokuroga ama walioroga familia yako waanze kuanguka wakizikwa mmoja baada ya mwingine. Mmoja baada ya mwingine. Mmoja baada ya mwingine. Na wakikufa wanakufa wakikutaja wewe.
That is witchcraft. What did Jesus say? Jesus said that he did not come to destroy the lives of men, but to save men. He also says that do not condemn and you will not be condemned. Forgive and you will be forgiven. Whoever slaps you on one cheek, give him the other too. Because most of the people are being used by the devil to destroy one another. So when you give a sacrifice to those places, and then you pray for those people who've done wrong to you to die, then whatever you pray for them will come back to you. And you start perishing one by one in your family. These people, these are altars of the devil. But the devil comes in like an angel of light. Know the word of Jesus Christ is the one that saves people. Don't give these sacrifices. Don't agree with them. Whenever you say amen, amen. And I feel like I would cry when I realize how people are destroying each other through these false prophets of today. May God help you to open your eyes and stop giving those sacrifices. Do what Jesus Christ has commanded, and you will be saved. God bless you.